Pydantic AI's Hooks capability provides a decorator-based mechanism for intercepting tool execution before it runs, allowing audit, filtering, or argument modification at the before tool execute stage with a tool's parameter that targets specific tool names. The visible code demonstrates registering such a hook on a Hooks instance and wiring it into an agent that carries a single send email tool. The following setup creates a Hooks instance, attaches a before tool execute hook filtered to send email, passes that capability into an agent constructor, and logs the tool name when the hook fires during a synchronous run. From typing, import any. From Pydantic AI, import agent, run context, tool definition. From Pydantic AI, capabilities, import hooks. From Pydantic AI, messages, import tool call part. Hooks equals hooks. Call log, list SDR equals. At hooks, on, before tool executitles equals send email. Async def audit dangerous tools. CTX, run context none. Call, tool call part. Tool def, tool definition. Args, dictstr any. Dictstr any. Call log, append fitted, call tool name. Return args. Agent, agentist, capabilities equals hooks. At agent tool plane. Def send email to, SDR. Return F sent to. Result, agent. Run sync send an email to email protected. Print call log. Audit, send email. The hook filters on tools equals send email, so the audit function only fires for that tool, not every tool call. It receives the tool call part, tool definition, and validated args, logs the tool name, then returns args unchanged, letting execution proceed normally. Tool filtering avoids blanket interceptors when you only care about specific tools. Using before tool execute over after tool execute means you can audit or modify args before the tool runs, which matters if you need to block or sanitize dangerous operations. The trade-off is you can't see the result, but that's not the point here. You're logging intent, not outcome. Let's break it down. From typing, import any. From Pydantic AI, import agent, run context, tool definition. Imports agent, run context, and tool definition from Pydantic AI for building and running AI agents with context and tool definitions. Also imports any from typing for generic type annotations. Hooks equals hooks. Instantiates a hooks instance and assigns it to the variable hooks. Call log, list SDR equals. Creates an empty list typed as a list of strings, assigned to the identifier call log. At hooks, on, before tool executitles equals send email. Async def audit dangerous tools. CTX, run context none. Registers a hook that intercepts the send email tool before it runs, assigning the hook to an async function named audit dangerous tools that receives a run context with no dependency type and uses keyword-only arguments. Agent, agentist, capabilities equals hooks. Creates an agent named test with the hooks capability attached via the capabilities parameter. At agent tool plane. Def send email to, SDR. Return F sent to. Registers a tool named send email that takes a to string and returns a confirmation message. The @agent tool plane decorator marks it as a tool without agent context access. Result, agent. Run sync send an email to email protected. Invokes the agent synchronously with the instruction to send an email to the specified address, storing the returned run result in result. Print call log. Audit send email. Prints the call log list, showing one recorded audit entry for send email. The takeaway is simple. Hook on before tool execute, filter by tool name, log, or mutate done. The Hooks instance gets registered on the agent via capabilities. The send email tool gets decorated with an agent tool plane. And when run sync fires, the hook intercepts just that tool call, appends to call log, and returns args unchanged, so execution continues normally. Tool filtering via tools equals send email is what keeps this targeted rather than catching every tool. And choosing before tool execute over after means you're auditing intent before execution runs, not inspecting results after the fact.
The hook audits what it hasn't yet called the email already departed.